Good day, good day, good day. I hope you're doing great. Um, Now, this is just a further explanation on how the system or the robot work, actually prime robot, how it actually works. Because I can see that most people or most they say it doesn't really open trades that much, and that is the reason behind actually being disciplined. The robot actually follows the trends, even though we use that on 5 minutes. So I'm gonna show you what's really happening. So on the screen here behind me, you can see that maybe the time I was showing you some very nice moves of the robot, the market was creating this type of nice moves. Do you see this? The market was actually moving. The market was actually seriously moving. You see, but currently, since we have this, it's tomorrow. I think. Let me check the date. Uh, I think it's tomorrow. Today's what? Yeah, tomorrow Thursday we're going to have CPI. So if we zoom closer there, we can easily see that even with our strategy, we were not going to get some nice trades. Yes, I think even yesterday I did send a sort of a buy pending order, which was touched, and I think if you did not close, you actually lost that. So the robot won't open trades around these areas. You see these areas where the market is actually consolidating. Like here, the market is consolidating, but with this bigger push there, if it keeps pushing up, we might have a position. This was a nice consolidation. If you check, if you count these areas about this consolidation, you're going to have only few trades. You see this down, up, maybe even down. So if maybe you opened your positions from maybe Monday or something, if you open the robot since then around this time, yes, you were going to get some few signals. You see, so this consolidation moves, the robot won't open anything. The robot wants moves like this, where the market is doing what? The market is trending, like these areas. You see, the market was trending, the market was moving nice, but we don't really see that because we experiencing. Actually, we can say it's days before high impact news. So the market is just playing around this area. And we know very well if maybe we did open the trades by ourselves here, we end up losing. But the robot did not do that because the robot follows a certain structure and certain rules. You see. So let me show you that on the robot. So for those who don't know, if you want it to be like take buy sell very quick, if you want that, it's better to go on 5 minutes. And actually, uh, MetaTrader has this different time frames. You can see from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So we are on 5 minutes. You can even go on 1 minute, which means once small trend is gonna buy, small trend is gonna sell, like that. But when we check on 5 minutes, that was actually the best thing that we chose, the best time frame that we chose for scalping. Very slow, but very safe. I don't think there's anyone who lost with the system. So, but the thing is bit slower. If you want some quick stuff, I think you can use 1 minute. So you can see from this area, obviously there, I don't think anyone was going to get any trade. Going down like that, yes, we're going to get a sell. Buying up like that, we're going to get a buy. This trending move here, after we got a buy, we were not going to get this consolidation move, we're not going to get anything. Maybe here we're going to get a sell if maybe that robot allowed, but I think we also had some sort of consolidation. Do you see that? This area was just consolidating. So the robot around that area wasn't going to take any trade unless if maybe it took once the market was going down like that. Yes, that aggressive sell was going to take something. Maybe aggressive small push was going to take something, but I don't think so. I no longer remember if maybe I saw something there. But I think this area is quite similar to this. So this area is just a sort of consolidation. Yes, this we were going to get a very nice sell, very nice buy, a very nice sell. Remember, sometimes you can get out because maybe your trailing stop is very small, but it's fine because you're getting out with something. So even here, now the market was actually consolidating. That's not how the market moves. And the robot is not opening trades just for your safety. Your account needs to be there tomorrow when the market starts to trend. You see, so the robot is smart enough to follow the rules. So without those rules being met, especially on 5 minutes, when you see the market consolidating on 5 minutes, what is actually happening on a bigger time frame, you will see that, oh, actually there wasn't actually any trade. Look at this. This is 4 hours time frame. You can see there was nothing there. The market was just going up and down. But if you participated there, you were just going to feel the pain. But it's quite different from this, you see. So the market, the robot wants some moves like this, which happens, but they won't just happen every day, especially when we expect the news like that. So maybe from after tomorrow, it's where we're going to see some very nice move. You can see those consolidations happen, but not like every day, or very strong like what we see there. You see, so yes, the robot is too smart, guys. I also, even yesterday, I did take a sell, actually, which I lost. Let me show you. But the robot was able to take some very nice moves. And I just find out that the robot actually closed. You see, I took these two trades here, hoping that maybe the market was going to sell, and then the market pushed up, and then I was forced to close these positions, you see. But when I check, the robot was giving me some nice trades. You can see these ones. You can see this one that's too small, but you can see where the robot was going. It means I was going to be on positive. So, but just because emotions, sometimes they say, oh, you think maybe the market was going to sell or something like that. Yes, we get something like this. So, but remember, this is that account that I said is 2,000 rands. So yeah, I need to grow this account with this robot. I no longer open any manual positions, just to make sure that people see what's really happening. So yeah, I hope you're gonna see how this thing's going to turn out. But I know it's gonna be way too profitable. But currently the market is just consolidating. So yeah, we're just expecting. Maybe we will see. I don't expect anything, especially when we're still waiting for the news. Maybe the news will be negative or positive, then we're gonna see some crazy moves. So yeah, I hope you're doing great. I hope you understand. So on 15 minutes, it's gonna be a different story. On 15 minutes, it's going to be way too slow, because that is the trend. You see, on 15 minutes, and it doesn't really open so many trades like that. So I will be adding that option actually maybe this Friday or maybe next week, just for the robot to open multiple positions. But I wanted us to grow on this robot so that you understand how it operates. It doesn't just open trade. Actually, it has to work like us. Sometimes we take a day without even trading or without even placing one order. Another option is, yes, you can use the robot on US 30. You can use the robot on S&P 500. You can use the robot on German 30. You can use the robot on France 40. Yes, it performs very well. You can just use quite similar settings. You can plug that because it's not really that aggressive. Then, yeah, maybe you can get multiple trades at once, the trades that you want. But the aim is for us to be patient. That's why the robot will wait before doing something. So thank you very much. I hope maybe you understand. I hope maybe you will understand. So yeah.